surface of the Earth is the shore of the cosmic ocean. Recently, we've waded a little way out, and the water seems inviting.
We thought we would be like Darwin on the Beagle, so going for 5 years with our big spaceship, landing on Mars and landing on the satellites of Jupiter and Saturn, tramping around in big boots on the ice and writing down everything we saw in notebooks. And then finally, after 5 years, we'd come home, just like Darwin, and tell everybody what we had seen. That was sort of the picture we had of space missions. Of course, nowadays it's totally different. You have instruments which are thousands of times better than humans for collecting information, and you have wideband communications, so you can communicate in real time with your instruments, so everything is observed much faster. So the whole technology is just totally changed. So what has happened in the 50 years since then, that the instruments have got enormously better, and what humans can do is essentially not changed. If you want to go to space with humans, that's for fun, not for science.
This brings me to the last of the big questions, the future of the human race. If we are the only intelligent beings in the galaxy, we should make sure we survive and continue. But we are entering an increasingly dangerous period of our history. Our population and our use of the finite resources of planet Earth are growing exponentially, along with our technical ability to change the environment for good or ill. It will be difficult enough to avoid disaster in the next 100 years, let alone the next 1,000 or million. Our only chance of long-term survival is not to remain inward-looking on planet Earth, but to spread out into space. The answers to these big questions show that we have made remarkable progress in the last 100 years. But if we want to continue beyond the next 100 years, our future is in space. That is why I'm in favor of manned, or should I say, personed, space flight.